Here's a quick video on how to feel amazing in the morning. I'm in Hong Kong, Victoria Park. I've just done a walk around, and the key here is get outside when the sun's out early in the morning and move your body. There's big groups of older people, older Chinese ladies particularly, doing Tai Chi. I even saw people doing Tai Chi with a sword. Now, they may not be very good at it, they may look silly, but they don't give a shit. Just like me filming on this camera, I don't give a shit. I'm just gonna pull out the camera and film, just like them doing Tai Chi, moving their bodies. I mean, the joke's on you, right? If you're stuck at home, lying in bed on your phone, and they're out here in the sun, in nature, moving their body, come on, who's got it right? Don't give a shit what other people think. Just do what you want to do. The worst thing that's going to happen is that someone says something to you and you probably have a positive interaction from that and get to know someone better. Having said that, no one's talked to me. Generally, people don't care what you do, so just do you. There's heaps of people here, older people particularly, walking, moving, playing tennis, swimming, doing everything imaginable, walking the dogs. They know what the secret is. You got to get out and move your body, and it's when I feel best. I wake up about 6 a.m, I wait about an hour, coffee at the hotel, and I got outside in the crisp, cool air. It's about 20 degrees. I just started walking and doing stretches. After doing that for about 20-30 minutes, you will just feel fantastic. If you're struggling in life, if you're just not feeling great mentally, play some music, whatever you need to get yourself going, move your body, get outside, go by yourself preferably, have time to yourself, mentally clear your mind. Here they're also running a flower show. You see all these interesting things. You walk around, you walk to a new area, walk to a park, you'll see something new. You'll see someone doing a different exercise, you'll see a new event. International Flower Show at Victoria Park in Hong Kong. Never would have known that was here, playing at the hotel just over there, ironically called the Rosedale, next to the flower show. So you'll meet different people from around the world who've come here for the flower show. That's what it's all about. Get out, get about, say hi to someone if you feel confident. People here are a bit more individualistic, but you can see that people do love to get out and about in the morning, and again, particularly the older people. So the younger people, start doing this now. They know that this is good for them, so you should take that on board and know that it's good for you. Just start the good habits early. Mentally freeing, you get over your social anxieties. Just get out in nature, in the sun. That's what our bodies are supposed to do. That's what humans are supposed to do. Try something different. Push yourself. I challenge you. I challenge you to make the decision to go outside early in the morning and do a workout, move your body, clear your mind, meditate in the park, do Tai Chi, whatever it is. Try something different. I'm going to do my workout here at this outdoor workout area, and I promise you this is significantly better for you than an indoor gym. I always gone about the gym and fitness, but if you can get outside, work out outside, that is another hack. Look at these people out here doing stretches, different activities in the morning. It is much healthier. It feels much better than going to the gym. Even if it's raining, you get wet, who cares? You feel accomplished. It feels good. Interesting. You see much older people here working out. You don't really see that in other countries. You don't really see it in Malaysia, and you don't really see it in Australia. Another tip I'll give you is to hang on bars, decompress your spine. It's good for your posture. Now you might think you can't get a proper workout done here. You don't need to, just keep it simple. Do some pull-ups, do some push-ups, do some squats, and then do some skipping on the spot or some running, knee raises for your abs, and then some stretches. Don't think you need to complicate everything. Stop making excuses. Just get outside and move and do your best, and I promise you'll feel good. That's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the message. Try it tomorrow morning. Let me know how you go. Comment what you think. See you in the next one.